Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Common Design, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a vision board for your planner with Canva. So this is super easy to do. I think I've shared in my setup that that's what I want to do each quarter for my health and wellness. I'm going to create a vision board each quarter, and that is going to be my focus for the month ahead. So let us begin. So you don't need a paid version of Canva to do this. So you can just sign up for Canva and use the free images, and you can just download it as a PDF and you are good to go. So let's have a look, shall we, on how to do this. So you're going to come up into your custom sizes, click custom size, change it to inches. I know that I'm going to print this on letter paper. So width is 8.5 and height is 11. Create new design. Then you'll get a page open, create new design, and you have it here. So you're going to go over to elements. So you can put in whatever you want into this section. I am going to choose vitamins, taking vitamins. There we go. I'm going to choose photos. And I'm going to choose this one here. Now this one says it's a pro version. This is included because I have the pro plan. If you want to, I'm not sure if you can do this on the free version or not, but I can come up to here on the little 3 lines here, and I can just put free, and then it'll only show me the free version. So I could just use this one instead. Right now, I'm just getting the images. We'll figure out the rest of it later. I'm going to say community. I'm going to say community. I'm just going to scroll down and see what piques my interest. I could choose this one. The other one that I could do is friendships. All right, so I'm just going to choose this one. I'm also going to choose to do something with yoga. So let's have the meditating lady, because why not? And I'm going to choose this one here. So all I'm doing to resize is I'm just getting the corner until I get those 2 little arrows, and then just dragging it, click and drag, resize. And then I'm just going to drag them around, make sure that they're the right size for what I'm going to do. And if you find that one of the images is too large, or you only want part of it, then you see the little, I'm going to just move these out of the way. As I highlight this, this has got the solid, this little horizontal line here. You just got to click it and drag it. That's all you got to do. Click them and drag them. I mean, at the end of the day, if you make any mistakes, all you're going to do is come up here to undo or Control Z, and it will reverse what you've done, and this one will redo what you did. It's very foolproof. So again, I'm just kind of dragging things around, making sure that everything is on the page somewhere. And then we have to think about, okay, I know here, I don't like this, her blouse being here. I want this green drink in the front. So I come up to position, I press position, and then I'm just going to say, move that to the front. And you can do that with all of them and move them around wherever you want them. That one's going to go backwards. Nope, don't like it. Let's bring it forward again. So once you've figured out how you want everything and you're happy with how it looks, so all we're going to do now is we just have to print it, right? We just have to save it and print it. But this is 8.5 by 11. I'm going to save it just as is. PDF print, and then I'm just going to hit download. And then wherever it's saved to, I just got to double click that, and then it will come up as saved. This is where it's going to print from. I'm going to press print. You can also do Control P if you're on a PC. I don't know about Mac, sorry. And then more settings. More settings. So you can see here, it's going to print on letter size paper. I've got options. It says scale. Yours might be different depending on what printer you're using, but it will be something like this. Scale. Fit to printable area, actual size, or you've got here where you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. 82%, I believe, is happy planner size. So I'm going to print that right now, and then we will see. Alrighty, so here we are. This is my printable. I've just printed this out, so I'm going to get my paper trimmer, and we are going to trim. I'm just going to use some rolling adhesive to attach it to the sheet that I want to attach it to. And because I've just done that very quick, I'm going to have to trim some of the edge. Oh gosh. I need to start paying a bit more care and attention when I'm doing this. And then all I have to do is punch it and put it in my planner. And then, boom, we have a vision board for the quarter in our planners. I hope that it just showed you, you don't have to go to magazines, because it adds bulk, right, to your planners. You can literally just do a monthly, a quarterly, a yearly vision board in one sheet, in one go. Just save it as a PDF, print it out at 82%, and then put it in your planner. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.